How to fix the Imou camera not connecting to Wi-Fi. First, check the Wi-Fi band. Imou cameras only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so you're gonna have to make sure that 5 GHz is off or separated, and that the phone is connected to 2.4 during setup. Then reset the camera. Hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then you'll hear a voice from the camera that says reset successful, and then let the camera reboot fully. You can see the button right here. Now make sure that on your phone you use the Imou app correctly. You tap add device, choose camera, and then go to the Wi-Fi setup. Ensure Bluetooth and location are both enabled on your phone. Make sure that you enter the password correctly for the Wi-Fi. Move closer to the router and see if that fixes the issue. Or restart both of the devices, the router and the phone. Or try to use another device, simply just to rule out the possibility that your phone may be an issue. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.